it should be moist soil. It should be moist soil, and this cutting grows into a plant, that is the mulberry plant. देखो आप यहाँ पे leaves इस पे develop हुए हैं, leaves इस पे grow हुए हैं, and then these small plants are grown, they are transplanted into the fields where they develop, where they grow into the mulberry trees, जहाँ से हमें slick moth के लिए we obtain leaves, we obtain their food. We obtain their food, and this is the way how slick worms are reared for the production of slick. For the production of you know why these fields are made here, why these sericulture farms are made here? Do you know why they are made here? अब तो idea लगा होगा why they are made. For the production of silk. For the production of silk. These silk farms, these sericulture farms are made for the rearing, for the growth of silk worms, for the growth of silk moths, so that we can obtain the fiber that is silk. That is silk. ये फॉर्म किस लिए बनाया गया है? To rear the silk moths, to rear the silk worms, जिनसे हमें मिलता है fiber, that is costly fiber, that is silk. That is silk. इन fields में silk worms को grow किया जाता है, rear किया जाता है, so that उनके बाद production of silk हो जाती है. ठीक साहब? Is it clear?
एक मिनट.
Ma'am, can you repeat how many days it takes to form a cocoon and silkworms?
Okay. The complete period for cocoon formation is about 35 days, 34 to 35 days. देखो इसके लाइफ साइकिल में 12 days होते हैं for hatching of egg, 28 days होते हैं from larva stage to pupa stage, and 7 days होते हैं for cocoon formation. I repeat the life cycle.
Ma'am, what are filaments?
Filaments, you can say the threads are fibers. ठीक है? Threads are fibers which are secreted by the larva stage of this silk moth. Threads are filaments are known as fibers are known as filaments.
Ma'am, can you repeat the life cycle of silk moth?
मतलब I will repeat लेकिन not in detail. ठीक है? आया समझ? देखो हमारे पास I will repeat in उर्दू. ठीक है? हमारे पास एक अडल्ट स्लिक मॉथ होता है, अडल्ट फीमेल स्लिक मॉथ जो एग्स देती है about 300 to 400 at a time on the mulberry leaves. On the mulberry leaves. उसके बाद उन एग्स को लिया जाता है और सेपरेट किया जाता है on the chopped mulberry leaves. On the chopped mulberry leaves. These adult silk worms or adult silk moths, they feed on the mulberry trees, means their food is mulberry tree. But the eggs hatch at suitable environmental conditions. That is why these sericulture farms are made, because they grow, they hatch under suitable environmental conditions.
मिस लेकिन mulberry leaves ही क्यों? Apple leaves क्यों नहीं? मतलब apple trees के leaves.
Only mulberry leaves are taken as the food of silk worms, because mulberry leaves contain a protein which is necessary for feeding of these silk worms. The protein is not present in other leaves like apple tree के जो leaves होते हैं या other trees के leaves होते हैं. The protein which is necessary for their feeding, that's not present there. That's why only mulberry leaves are chosen for the feeding of these silk worms.
एक मलबरी लीव पे कितनी डेवलपमेंट, सिल्क वर्म्स की कितनी डेवलपमेंट?
We chop these, हम उनको pieces में काटते हैं. Mulberry leaves are chopped and then these eggs are separate on those chopped mulberry leaves where they feed. ठीक है बेटा? Then these 300 to 400 eggs, some of the eggs are dead eggs which don't develop into the larva stage, but almost all the eggs develop into the larva stage.